So finally, Umakumalo respond to all the haters in a professional way. If there's a one thing that Umakumalo she's doing this season, not December season 8, is to keep quiet and let her hard work speak for herself. This is what Umakumalo posted on her Instagram account. Anyway, guys, so let's get to start of today. You know, the rest of the house is Samarin Pizan. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, so like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. People are really worried about Umakumalo, guys. If you've been following Utana's Temple from season 1 until to season 8, you know Umakumalo. This is not the Umakumalo we have signed for. So people are also calling out to Umayeni to stop calling Umakumalo Lengane Nkosiyami. She should be grateful to have a person like Umakumalo. First of all, Umayeni, she's directing the anger to the wrong person. The person Umayeni should blame here, it is Musamseleko, guys. Everything happened because of Musamseleko. And Musamseleko reveals something that Umayeni was against. The Umayeni's house, it was built by Umakumalo. That was Musamseleko. He said it, guys, on Utana's Temple season 8 episode 2. Again, there's something that Umakumalo mentioned to say. When Mayeni got married, I was already staying in Mzumbe, guys. Some are saying that at least they should be proud of Umakumalo, from a drum girl to a nanny to a PA to now a financial independent woman. Sometimes when Musamseleko wants to mention that, sometimes when he doesn't have money, he will ask him Umakumalo. So people are saying that the reason why Umayeni is angry with Umakumalo is because Umakumalo, she's doing much better than her. No wonder why she's always complaining, calling Umakumalo Lengane. So yesterday, Umakumalo posted a beautiful picture of herself with the caption, "God has entrusted me with myself." Under the comment section, people went on to say that, "Hi, Kelly, you know what? You're doing well for yourself. Do whatever you can. We love this current Umakumalo on this season. Lengane this, Lengane that. A very beautiful, intelligent Ingane Oksalayo." Some went on, "You are so beautiful. Please do not let the negative change you. You are such a powerhouse, most hard work human being." Some people were really appreciating Umakumalo to say that Umakumalo, the only reason she hates by number 1 and number 2, it is because of hate for success, for her success. Mangwabe does not feel threatened by Umakumalo. So people are saying that Umakumalo and Mayeni, they need to stop hating Umakumalo because she's doing much better than them. Yes, so Umayeni, she has a job, but she also has an online business. She's doing so well for herself. So people are saying that, hi, but the reason why people are undermining Umakumalo is because she's a child at the end of the day. But when you look at her work, Umakumalo, she's changing cars like nobody's business. She's doing so well. She's already present. And another thing is that Umakumalo, the working hard women in that family will always stand. Umakumalo working hard, way up, taking each opportunity. So people are saying that if you look at Umakumalo, guys, she will take every opportunity. She's been following Musamseleko around. She's one of the executive producer. Izingane this time. So you can tell that Umakumalo, she's using every opportunity, from being a drama girl, you know, to a PA, to a businesswoman. Although these opportunities comes with Musamseleko, obviously Musamseleko is in the entertainment industry. So Umakumalo, she's just not a wife who become a housewife and do nothing. She's always around following whatever Musamseleko is joining, she's also joining. That is a smart woman. Anyway, guys, let's tell me in the comment section, what do you think about Umakumalo? People are saying this is the best way to respond to all the haters. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.